Yeah.
Right, so come on over to see me messing up the Rubik's Cube. So today's workout is
Hopefully
me
get back then.
solving the Rubik's Cube while running. So I'll show you it all messed up. Now, I think you should agree, that's it all messed up.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I'm like back
I am
again.
going to put the music on, and then when this goes to 52, so I can time myself 15 now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and do it in 3 minutes, and then put this up a bit so I'm running faster. There we are. So one piece done. Oh my goodness. Right. So I think I'm way off the time for the 3 minutes, but
On the camera, it's
I'll
only
try.
been 1 minute.
I have been running for 53 minutes.
Oh, jeez, Daddy. I guess you never skip a leg there.
Around town. Running around town, around town. There's 10 points for guessing the song.
Earned 10 points for guessing the song.
Stations in
Road
my
Town
head.
Road.
Can't hear you, Connor.
Old Town Road.
There's one there.
Jesus, Daddy. It's actually freezing out here. I'm not even wearing a coat either. Oh, I know how to do a... Daddy, did you know I know how to do a face skateboard trick?
Mama said me I should stop, go and get a real job.
Daddy,
The way that I roll.
Father,
I
I know a skateboard trick. I'll tell you afterwards then.
I'll ride my bike until I get old. Right, there's 2 letters.
And 2 minutes.
Till I get old. Ride my bike until I get old. Till I get old. I don't know if that's 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I can't think.
Right, the camera's at 2 minutes.
No, I don't know what I'm doing now.
I
There
can
we
tell. I don't know Benji was out here.
There we are, just the corners to do. Took me out of stock, and get a real shock in the way that I roll. And it all. There we go. Go ride my bike until I get old.
Daddy, copyright. Copyright.
Ride my bike until I get old. Ride my... Seriously?
It's
There we are.
really cold.
I can't concentrate in these corners. There we are.
You done?
Just the corners to do. One more to do. Here, Connor.
Oh my god, Daddy, I'm actually so cold right now.
There we are.
Show me all sides. Give me it.
That's it all done. So it's time. Hope you've enjoyed today's workout. And Joe, I'm coming for you.
Joe? Okay.